guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 DIYs for Easter, and one is a dual for Easter and spring that are really simple to make, and that you can make them in a breeze, as I always say. First one, this was a piggy bank. If you look here, you see it had a glass here. It broke. It was green and yellow, I think. Yes. And I painted it. I painted the sides in white and the border in this kind of blue, light blue. This is printed. I printed this with my computer. This is an image from internet. I painted the interior in pink. I added this moss and these eggs that I bought on eBay a while ago, and this little bunny that I also bought on eBay. This is from Dollar Tree. You can get them if you're lucky enough. They come in different sizes, and they come a lot in a bag, and sometimes Dollar Tree have them, sometimes they don't. So it's a matter of luck. So this is really simple, but you know, I love to do things that can have different uses. If I have a shadow box, I'm going to use the back, and this is what I did in the back. I added this little clip. I bought it on internet, on eBay also, and I printed this Hello Spring card from internet, but I also printed Hello Summer, so I can change the cards according to the season, and during Easter I'm going to use this side. This is really easy to make. I bought this on at Dollar Tree. I love this one with the handle. I think it's really farmhousey. I simply added the twine on the bottom and on top, some raffia from Dollar Tree, and these eggs that I bought on eBay. I bought 10 for $3.12. I know you can buy them, a lot of them, at Dollar Tree. I don't drive, I don't have a Dollar Tree nearby, so sometimes for me go to Dollar Tree to buy just one item, no way. And I have to take 2 buses to get there. So I buy a lot of things on eBay and I get them at my door. I painted them, as I told you in another video. I tried all the methods I saw on YouTube to make the speckles. Different methods. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce it. Different ways. Forget what I said. Different ways, and I can't get it right. Sometimes some eggs I had to paint them 3 times because they were ruined. With a toothbrush, with another brush, just shaking the brush, a lot of ways, and I couldn't get it right. So I simply used the brush and made some speckles. They don't look wonderful, but it's okay. I like them. Not too much, but I like them. So I added the eggs, and that's it. I have this nice piece of decor. And these pots are from Dollar Tree as well as Bunny. They come in, I think it's like 12, I don't know, in a pack. I already painted this gray because I'm going to use them for another DIY. But they are really flimsy because they are, you know, when you plant the seeds, they are not supposed to last longer than the time it takes for the seed to bloom. And so I used 3 of them together here. I added some stones in the bottom, and to cover the border, that as you can see, if you have 3 together, you can notice in the border that you have 3. So I added this nautical rope, also from Dollar Tree, some moss, more eggs that I painted, beautifully speckled by me, and this little bunny that is from Dollar Tree, is one of those that come in a hanging the piece of the core. It was glittered, and I used it from the other side. I used the back of the bunny. I added this pom-pom as a tail and the ribbon, and I added this dowel, and I use a little bit of foam, floral or florist foam, and I place this bunny there, and you have this nice piece of the core. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you are not subscribed already, ring the bell so you will get notified whenever I upload a new video, usually on Mondays. And thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.